Welcome to Innsbruck, Austria's breathtaking alpine gem. In this video, we'll take you through 8 unforgettable experiences that make this city a must-visit destination. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or simply looking to soak in the stunning mountain views, Innsbruck has something special for everyone. Get ready to explore from the heart of the Old Town to the peaks of the Tyrolean Alps. Let's dive into the magic of Innsbruck. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you. Number 8. Nordkette. The Nordkette transports you from the heart of Innsbruck to the breathtaking landscapes of the Nordkette mountain in just 20 minutes. In that short time, you'll leave behind the bustling city and find yourself surrounded by pristine alpine scenery. The journey begins with the Hungerbergbahn funicular, crossing the River Inn, followed by a cable car ride to Seegrubenbahn. From there, you switch to a chairlift for the final leg, with the highest point of the Nordkette accessible via the Haflerkar chairlift. Each stop offers a range of activities, including rock climbing, hiking, and skiing at the mountain's higher elevations. If you prefer something more relaxing, sit back at one of the restaurants and soak in the stunning views. The 360-degree vistas are truly awe-inspiring, and the sight of Innsbruck, nestled far below, framed by towering peaks, is an unforgettable experience. Number 7. Golden Roof. Situated in Innsbruck's Old Town, the Golden Roof is a dazzling sight, with its richly decorated windows and shimmering gilded copper tiles. Built in 1496, it's one of the city's most iconic landmarks. While the arcade itself is quick to visit, the accompanying museum is fascinating, offering insight into the life of Emperor Maximilian I, for whom the Golden Roof was constructed to celebrate his marriage. In fact, the court used to enjoy watching festivals from the balcony beneath the roof, overlooking the square below. The Goldenes Dachel Museum features interactive exhibits, detailed historical information, and intriguing artifacts, providing a deeper understanding of Innsbruck's past and its connection to the emperor. Number 6. Ambras Castle. Just a short distance from Innsbruck lies the magnificent Schloss Ambras, a top attraction for visitors to the area. Once the residence of Archduke Ferdinand, the castle is surrounded by lush gardens and offers a captivating experience both inside and out. Its interior is especially intriguing, featuring an impressive collection of suits of armor, fine sculptures, and beautiful artworks. One of the castle's main highlights is the stunning Spanish Hall, which brilliantly showcases the elegance of German Renaissance art and architecture, with frescoed walls and a beautifully ornate ceiling. Also worth exploring are the charming Chapel of St. Nicholas and the fascinating bathing chambers. Number 5. Maria Theresienstraße. Maria Theresienstraße is one of the most vibrant streets in Innsbruck, perfect for a leisurely stroll. Lined with charming 17th and 18th century buildings, the street is filled with shops, restaurants, and cafes, bustling with both locals and tourists. Scattered along the street are numerous historic landmarks, such as the Town Hall, the statue-adorned St. Anne's Column, and the impressive Baroque palace, Alts Landhaus. At one end of the street stands the Grand Triumphpforte, built in 1765 to commemorate Emperor Leopold II's marriage, while the other end offers a stunning view of the towering mountains that surround Innsbruck. Number 4. Alpenzoo. The fantastic Alpine Zoo in Innsbruck is a perfect family outing. Most of the animals come from the Alps or other mountainous regions, and they seem quite content in their spacious enclosures, designed to mimic their natural habitats. Visitors can marvel at the large brown bears, admire the fierce wolves, and enjoy watching the playful otters. With over 2,000 animals and an impressive aquarium, Alpenzoo offers a great experience. providing plenty of opportunities to learn about its diverse inhabitants. Number 3, Hofburg. Built in the 1400s, Innsbruck's imperial palace, or Hofburg, is a striking sight with its dazzling white facade, contrasting beautifully against the green gardens and clear blue skies. Showcasing a mix of architectural styles, the palace was home to numerous emperors and empresses throughout the centuries. Inside, the opulent apartments are filled with lavish decorations and ornaments that are fascinating to explore. The Riesensaal is particularly breathtaking, with its frescoed ceiling and walls adorned with fine portraits. With so much to discover, visitors will leave with a deeper understanding of Austria's history and the royal figures who once lived here. Number 2, Dom zu St. Jakob, Innsbruck Cathedral, also known as the Dom zu St. Jakob, is a stunning architectural marvel and one of the city's most iconic religious landmarks. Its Baroque facade, adorned with circular windows and flanked by 2 striking bell towers, is hard to miss, while the interior is equally captivating. Visitors can admire the beautifully painted ceilings, intricately carved pulpit, and marble altars as they explore this impressive space. Nearly destroyed during World War II, the cathedral has since been restored and remains one of Innsbruck's most popular tourist attractions. Number 1, go skiing. Surrounded by towering mountains, it's no wonder that Innsbruck boasts some of the world's top ski resorts and slopes. This makes it a favorite destination for both locals and tourists eager to hit the snow. The closest to the city is Nordpark, offering not only stunning views, but also a variety of ski slopes suitable for all skill levels. The surrounding area is packed with fantastic pistes, earning Innsbruck its reputation as Austria's premier skiing hub. With over 500 kilometers of trails available for skiers and snowboarders, taking to the slopes and enjoying the crisp mountain air is an absolute must when visiting Innsbruck. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.